Hi, I am Elena from Future You Health. There's a cooking oil in almost every kitchen in America. Doctors used to call it heart healthy, but a 2020 study says it might be one of the worst things you can swallow, and you probably used it today. Let's start in your kitchen cabinet. Pull out that bottle of soybean oil. It's in almost 60% of packaged foods in the US. A 2020 study from the University of California, Riverside found something alarming. Mice-fed soybean oil showed changes in over 100 genes. Some of those genes are linked to chronic pain and swelling. Here's why it matters for you. Soybean oil is loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Your body needs some omega-6, but the average American eats 15 times more omega-6 than our omega-3. That ratio is way off. It's like filling your gas tank with diesel when you need regular. The fix is simple: switch to extra virgin olive oil. A study in the journal Nutrients confirmed olive oil actually helps calm your body down. Number 2 might surprise you. It's white bread. I know. It's cheap. It's easy. Kids love it. But here's the problem. White bread has a glycemic index of 75. That's almost as high as pure sugar. A 2010 study from the University of Sydney tracked over 3,000 adults. Those who ate the most high glycemic foods had significantly more body-wide swelling. Every time you eat white bread, your blood sugar spikes fast. Your body panics and releases a flood of insulin. Over time, this roller coaster wears your system down. The swap? Try sourdough or sprouted grain bread. They score much lower on the glycemic index. Your body handles them without the drama. Now let's talk about the one you probably eat every single day: processed deli meat, ham, turkey slices, salami. A massive 2017 study in the British Medical Journal followed over 100,000 people. Those who ate the most processed meat had 30% higher markers of body-wide stress. The reason is what's added during processing: nitrates, sodium, preservatives. These chemicals trigger your body's alarm system. It thinks it's under attack. I found this one hard to accept. I used to grab turkey slices for quick lunches, but now I roast a chicken breast on Sunday. I slice it up for the whole week. Same convenience, way less damage. Number 4 is sneaky: diet soda. You'd think zero sugar means zero problems. But a 2023 study in the journal Cell found artificial sweeteners changed how the body responds to stress. Researchers at the Weizmann Institute tested sucralose and aspartame. Both raise markers linked to swelling in healthy adults. The fake sweetness tricks your brain. It expects sugar. When none arrives, your body gets confused. It starts overreacting to normal signals. I'm not saying regular soda is better. It's not. Try sparkling water with real lemon or lime. You still get the fizz without the fake stuff. The last one is a breakfast staple: flavored yogurt. I know it seems healthy. The label says probiotics, it says calcium. But flip it over and look at the sugar. Most flavored yogurts pack 19 to 26 grams of sugar per cup. That's almost as much as a candy bar. A 2014 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that added sugar was one of the strongest triggers of body-wide stress. The more sugar people ate, the worse their markers got. Plain Greek yogurt is the move. Add your own berries. A handful of blueberries gives you sweetness plus antioxidants. You control what goes in. So here's what ties all 5 together. Every one of these foods seemed safe. Some even seemed healthy. But the science tells a different story. You don't have to change everything at once. Pick one swap this week. Just one. Replace soybean oil with olive oil. Choose sourdough over white bread. Roast chicken instead of buying deli packs. Grab sparkling water instead of diet soda. Or switch to plain yogurt with real fruit. Small changes add up. A 2018 Harvard study found that people who made just 2 dietary swaps lowered their stress markers by 18% in 8 weeks. That's real change from tiny moves. Your future self is counting on the choices you make right now. If this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'm Elena, and I'll see you next time.